To take these kind of doorknobs out, the round ones with no obvious screws, these ones are more obvious. There are screws up there, and you just take the screws out, and also the bolt has its own screws. But with these, there is a secret release button. Some of the knobs you can just press them with your hand, but some of them you need a tiny screwdriver. I have a set of these. You can, if you don't know where to get them from, you can get them from the link I'll put in the description. And press that button, release that, this comes off. Then you are to snap off this ring. To get that off, there's no other way but force and ignorance. But be careful not to damage the door, and to avoid that you can either use a potty knife, a scraper, something like that, or a tiny screwdriver, not a big one. So you just have to pry that off. Maybe you might need a hammer or just use another tool. Yeah, that's under it, and it's snapped off. That's out. Once that's out, then you see the screws. Then you can use normal flip screwdrivers or a battery operated drill to take those screws out. And that's all about it. So you're not damaging your door, because you can really, your DIY can really go bad and go wrong, and you might just end up having to buy a new door. So this is this end out. Once you get this out, if I open that without hitting the tripod of my camera, then you can get the other side out as well. So this comes out, the ring with two screws, and the other side comes out. And that's it. Till next video, it's goodbye for me.